A very good morning to everyone. I, Amanpreet Kaur of B Farm first year, is going to explain the topic based on the subject pharmaceutics, and the name of the topic is Eutectic mixtures. When we talk about eutectic mixtures, in Greek, eutectic means easy melting. Certain substances such as methanol, thymol, camphor, phenol, silol, etc., when mixed in a particular proportion, tend to liquefy due to reduction in their respective melting points. जब भी कुछ सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जैसे कि मिथेनॉल, थाइमोल, कैम्फर, फिनॉल, सिलॉल एक्सेट्रा, जब भी हम इन्हें मिक्स करते हैं इन अ पर्टिकुलर प्रपोर्शन, दे लिक्विफाई ड्यू टू रिडक्शन इन द रिस्पेक्टिव मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स. Mixtures of such substances are known as eutectic mixtures. As you can see the figure, the diagram. Now let's talk about what is eutectic mixture. So let us consider two substances, that is A and B. The points A and B represent the melting point of the two components. As increasing quantities of B are added to A, the freezing point of A falls along the curve AC. Similarly, as increasing quantities of A are added to B, the freezing point of B falls along the curve BC. At a particular composition C, known as the eutectic point, the mixture of the two substances has the lowest melting point. This composition of the two substances is known as the eutectic mixture. So you can see the point C is equal to the eutectic point and the point E is equal to eutectic composition. This can be seen in the diagram. Now when we come to the principles of eutectic mixtures, below the eutectic temperature, the mixture of the two substances will exist as solid, while above it, the mixture will convert into a liquid. एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे जब दो मिक्सचर होता है टू सब्सटेंसेस का, इट विल एग्जिस्ट इन सॉलिड स्टेट एंड जैसे वो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अ लिक्विड. In pharmaceutical practice, eutectic mixtures are difficult to dispense in the form of a powder. इन्हें हम पाउडर के फॉर्म में डिस्पेंस नहीं कर सकते हैं. In order to incorporate such as materials in a powder, it is essential to first mix each ingredient separately with an inert diluent such as light magnesium oxide, magnesium carbonate, starch, kaolin, etc., followed by gentle blending of the different portions. Alternatively, the eutectic materials can first be titrated together in order to force them to liquefy. The liquid can then be absorbed on an inert diluent. The phenomenon of eutectic formulation has also been used in the pharmaceutical practice to improve the dissolution behavior of certain drugs. Examples of eutectic mixtures could be जो कि जल्दी डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं rapidly, they dissolve rapidly. And the examples could be aspirin, acetaminophen mixture, 37 to 36% proportion respectively. Then the second example could be urea and acetaminophen mixture, 46% to 54% respectively. The third example could be glycofulvin and succinic acid. It can be 55% to 45% proportion respectively. Now when we talk about the applications of eutectic mixture, how it can be applicated. So the best example could be lidocaine and prilocaine. These are two local aesthetics forms of eutectic mixtures at 1:1 at 18 degrees Celsius. This mixtures forms liquid at room temperature that can be used as mixed local anesthetic for topical application. They can be used only on topical application. They cannot be given as in another form. So I think this is all we need to know about the eutectic mixtures, and these are the main examples we need to know about. So thank you and have a wonderful day.